What's up? 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 Yeah, okay. Okay, we're here and we're here. Are you guys there? Are you ready? All right, look. How to set up bitBull, short-term trend chaser. Okay, that's what the ST stands for, short-term trend chaser. I was thinking about naming it trend tracer because that's just how fucking sharp it is. Man, I can't believe I've done it. We've done it. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys. Thank you. Now listen, it's running really well. That's all I can say. Now, those who have acquired access to my code and my scripts on TradingView, let me show you a really quick. I know a lot of guys are just new to this whole thing, and it's like so exciting. Trust me, when I learned about this, I was excited too. Spent a good portion learning how to do this. So to set it up, let's just go into our right here. Let's just go ahead and blow this up, and let's take it from scratch, okay? So let's just say this is your. Let's kill this. This is the short-term trend chaser CS strategy. I'm gonna kill that. And then down here is your short-term trend chaser CS alerts. This is where you draw alerts from. So when you go into this box right here, oops, when you go into this box right here, and then you create an alert, you're gonna be like, well, the condition. This is where you wanna find ST.Trend Chaser. Okay, and that's referring to these alerts down here. If this isn't on your chart, okay, watch what happens. Oh yeah, let me redo it. If that isn't on your chart, you're not gonna find it, okay? So you gotta go get those alerts for the alerts to work. All right. Now the strategy has nothing to do with the alerts, and you can thank TradingView for that. Now, if they could just, let you take alerts when your strategy send the signal, it would be all blessings, and you wouldn't need a person like me at all. Trust me. I mean, you probably the key thing about me is I can take it a script, and if I have the code to it, I can turn it into an alert script. I can take your strategy, but beware of the strategies that repaint on TradingView because they're garbage. They show 100% and they repaint, which is basically saying a lot of stuff. You'd have to watch my video. It just basically reorganizes where the strategy took and placed trades every time you log in or refresh the screen. Okay, so let's add these two indicators. So how you do that? You go in here. Once you've been given access, simply type in bitBull, and you're gonna see all my bitBull strategies. GUWAP, bulls up, bears down. And now bitBull Trend Chaser CS. Okay, public library. These. Now, what I need to make sure I do right is the one that says CS. All right, and the one that's because I also have my scripts down here, which is all my bitBulls that I work on, and I haven't released. Okay, because they haven't proven themselves, quite frankly. Especially the RSI Bollinger Band bullshit. Yeah, those things are just indicator based and they don't reliably give you a good enough, you know. You got to know how to use those things in confluence with patterns on your chart, okay? Candle patterns. That's when those things come in really good for confirmation. But until then, Pine Script is really, coming along. My Pine Script bot is coming along pretty good too. Now look, here, so we're going to add the strategy first. Boom. Okay? And bam, now you see where you see where the alerts get played. I mean, these are not alerts. You see where the trade signals get placed to go short here and the likes like that. And then you're gonna add the alerts right here. Boom. Click that real quick and just wait. It's compiling. It's doing its thing, and boom, it turns it into assembly. Takes it from Pine Script, turns it into assembly for fast product. That's why it's going so fast. So now look, I don't really too much like the colored. Just for me because I like to analyze the candles as they come. So I'll go in here, me personally, and in here I'll go and disable color candles for active traders. All right. Now, straight out the box right here. This is the last What trades were these? The last, what, since the 18th? All right, since the 18th right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's been okay, I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that on the fly. I gotta fix that on the fly. It's been 9 days. Okay, let's fix that on the fly. Let's fix that on the fly. All right. The third day. All right, there we go. Now, just want to check something real quick. Drawdown only $5. That is the best ever. Okay. Open profit and loss is 97, and total commissions paid to bitMEX is only $78. Yes, it calculates your commissions paid right here in properties. bitMEX, for market orders, they charge 0.075%. Okay. If you want to trade more than one Bitcoin, go ahead and put 2 right there. Okay, there you go. All right, put 2, put 3. If you're trading 3 Bitcoins, this is how much money you would have made in the last 9 days. Okay, with bitBull. Okay, you got leverage. I mean, put 1 Bitcoin in over there and trade times 30. Okay, because that's what you can do with this strategy. You can do 30 times leverage. So you can actually do this right here. You know, if you got the money to do that, and this is what you would have made with 1 Bitcoin, all right, with 30 times leverage. So you would have put 1 Bitcoin in. This is what you would have made, okay, in the last 9 days trading with $6,000, okay, because that's how much 1 Bitcoin costs right now, $6,000. All right, do 30 times leverage, you would have made $34,000, okay, in exactly 9 damn days. All right, that's what we doing over here. All right, I'm not trading that much because I'm forward test. I'm the forward tester. You buy from me, you put your money in, you do what you do. Risk is subjective. I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you how much to risk. I can't tell you how much to lose. I can't tell you how much to make. All right, you gotta tell yourself that, and your bank account gonna tell you. Your wife gonna slap the shit out of you before you make anything. Okay, so you gotta respect her too, and the kids. Make sure you take care of them first. All right, now look. Let's get into this. Get this damn alert script, add it to the chart. Then go into over here. Oh, by the way, data window, excellent to see a trailing stop. This red line right here, the value of it is exactly kind of like right here. You know, this is the, this gets updated. This is the trailing stop. You want to look at this if you are, wondering where it's going to stop you out at. Then compare it over here to your liquidation price and be like, oh, well, that's pretty damn good. I don't have to worry about losing this. Now you can actually add if you want to take profit and you don't want to risk this thing bouncing up and coming back down. You know, sometimes they shake out people. They go up, shake you out, hit your stop loss, they come back down on your ass. That's why we don't put active stop losses in. That's why there's such a but anyways, you guys know this is built into the bot, all right? The bot knows. That's why it's up here. It's not down here. It's up there. All right, now let's get rid of the data window, okay, for a second. And I moved it. I didn't want to move it at all. All right, let's put it back down there. All right, there we go. Now push this back up. All right, let's check it out. I am the bot creator of bitBull. I am crypto trader _. And you can find me on Twitter at crypto _. You can find me on Tradingview at crypto _ crypto trader _ I'm sorry, crypto trader _, just like that. Now look, now you get into the alert section. Like I said, I already set these alerts. What you got to do is this: create you an alert. Now you can find the trend chaser. So you click that. Now you can open longs, open shorts, close the long, and close the shorts. You're gonna need all 4 of these. Okay, I've supplied you with the code that you put in there, but just to show you what my code looks like, let's go ahead and go into close the short. All right, closing the short code looks like this. All right, bam, there you have it. You can find that. Make sure you got A equals your whatever your API code is for trading for AutoView, because AutoView is actually reading this, okay, to place trades to bitMEX, to your bitMEX account, and that's why this is important for your API calls to go through to your exchange, where All right, so now we're going to cancel this. All right, and then let's open a short really quick just to show you what that looks like. All right, bam, that code is right there. I put 18% in there. You can do what you want. All right, I got 18% in there. I'm waiting on the next trade to happen so I can see what's going on. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull this out of here. And now you guys can see everything. All right. I test a lot of bots, so just understand I got a couple of accounts at bitMEX. I'm not gonna lie to you. I got a main account, I got a manual trading account, and I just made this account right here for the ST.Trend Chaser. Okay, and we're waiting on the next trade. I hope this thing falls out of bed right now, because I mean this is the time when, you know, Bitcoin is actually in a bearish market right now. So if you're wondering why it's placing a lot of shorts and then closing them, it's just because it's confirming this. I've done an awesome job coding ST.Trend Chaser. Okay, really I have, because it's really like the first time where I've actually added code that will confirm the position before it takes the position. And that's a very, very important thing to understand, confirmation. If you can't understand, I'm learning that from Master Trader. I'm paid a Master Trader, I call him Master Trader, because he's confirmed that he's, you know, over the course of the last, you know, basically what, 10 years, I've looked at his trades, and I'm telling you, this guy knows how to trade, and he learned how to trade from working with the guys down there in the market makers. He was a market maker, so he's making money. Okay, so look, I pay this dude. He's showing me right now what to do. So it's like confirmations. So as soon as I get some of this game from this guy, right? He said, "Nah, zero losses. You don't want to lose. You don't even want to lose $1, man. If your trade ain't going in your direction, you don't even. You need to cancel that shit. No bag holders allowed. Not at no fucking at all. Never, ever stay in a losing trade." That's what he said. Never. Okay, then that was rule number 1. Rule number 2, man, you gotta confirm shit. You can't just enter trades without confirmation. You can't just get in the market, and if there's nothing confirming nothing, then stay out the damn market. And you hear that time and time again from a lot of people who know what they're talking about. That's all I'm gonna tell you. And sometimes these rules are not easily followed. It takes discipline. It's a skill. This is an art form, trading, and that's what he says too. He says, "Hey, trading is an art form. Don't think these scientists know what the hell they're doing. It's not science, it's art." Okay, I'm like, damn, you gotta be kidding me. Is this really what he's doing? I'm a programmer, so I'm like, yeah, I could take money, numbers, I could take money, and I can see what he's talking about now. Now listen, that's what's going on. Confirmation. So there's a lot of shorts, and you see, if you look at the market, bitBull is making these decisions. It can go long at any given time it wants to. All right, that's what I'm going to tell you. This is a very dynamic bot script that I've basically tooled together over a long time of failure. All right, and this is the end result. You're at the bleeding edge of my technology. All right, now like this price right here. This is what they call the candle right here at the furthest edge of time. You know what this candle is called? You gotta understand this stuff. If you don't understand this, some of this stuff is like, you know, you're gonna miss the boat. This candle is called the developing candle. Okay, the only price that you can really look at and check and confirm from this candle is the open price. If you're coding, okay, because some people ask that question, how do I get the actual? The only confirmation that Tradingview is going to provide you is the opening on this candle. And right now, you can keep checking it and checking it. It's not going to confirm nothing. It doesn't confirm, okay, until it closes. Now, once this kind of 1 minute closes, you see I put the timer right here. I know you're like, how did he get that timer? You go into this gearbox right here, all right, scale properties, and you can go into scale properties. That's one way. Here's another way. You can go, let me save this. You can go right here in this gearbox and go to Scales. And it's just there's a checkbox. It's not gonna be checked. Of course, they're gonna make it hard for your ass, all right? And then bam, this is how you get candle confirmation. The candle doesn't confirm until it's printed. After this, these are minute candles. You see that 1 minute candle, 2 minutes. So whenever this countdown hits 0, candle gets printed and confirmed. All right, like it just did. That candle didn't do nothing, didn't move any which way. This is Hakanashi. You got to also set your chart to Hakanashi if you're using this bitBull strategy right here. Okay, this is where you set Hakanashi. Normal candles, it performs like this. All right, you're gonna get about 10 trades, 50% profitable, but overall you made dough in the last 9 days, about $100 a day. Hey, sitting back, sleeping, waking up, eating, not even paying attention to the market, pretty good. All right, now look, go back to Hakanashi candles. That's where the bread and butter is made. Because why? Because I've basically built this bot to take out all that dumbass noise that you normally see with normal candles. You see this noise you see with these normal candles? Nobody can really see. I mean, it takes a very good trained artistic eyes to actually see Hakanashi. But we got a computer program now to let us look at Hakanashi candles. Like, this is all red because it went down. Come on. Does it really look like that in real life? Look at the noise. There's green here, green there, green there, green there. Every time you see a green candle, you're going to go long, you're going to fucking snap, and you're going to lose money because you can't keep trading. That's called excessive trading. That's also called over trading. You can't over trade and expect to make money because these commissions, they stack up over time. All right? That's why 8 trades, and you see what the commissions cost you, right? 8 trades cost us. Trading with 1 Bitcoin costs us $78, okay? It's that simple. We're trading 1 Bitcoin. This bot thinks it's trading with 1 Bitcoin. Now, these are numbers for 1 Bitcoin, all right? Don't care about these percentages, 116%, 14%. Don't care about that. Only care about this right here. 1 Bitcoin is actually $6,000. Every one of these 8 trades was an average $150. It only went against me $5 maximum drawdown at one point in this damn thing. So that's what's crazy to think about. All right, it's 100% profitable. We have no losing trades yet. It can lose. I'm not going to tell you this bot's not going to make a losing trade. That'll be the dumbest, stupidest everything I can ever tell you. It will make a losing trade, but all the winning trades will basically make that look void and null, like you never even had it. It'll look like 100% still. Obviously, this is a very good way to what? 30 times your money. All right. I showed you at the very beginning. 30 times your money. All right. In 9 days. Basically, if you would have 30 times your money in 9 days, if you were trading with 1 Bitcoin, all right, with this leverage right here, notice this is 20 something leverage right here. I toned it down, but I was just basically giving you the gist. That's why I only got like $64 in here, and I'm already at $0.0030. All right, that's how I look at these numbers. These are really like, basis points. At 64 basis points, that's what that is. 64 pips. When you ever hear, you ever turn on fast money and they be like the basis points or CNBC and they talk about basis points. They're talking about 0.0001. That's 1 basis point. To me, that's $1. That's just how I look at it because I got to, because it makes sense that way for me. So $64, all right. And how much money am I? I'm already damn near doubled that, all right, in one fucking trade. That's how you look at it. I didn't put no real money in here. All right, I don't like to show my real account. Who does that? You want to get robbed? I'm from the hood, man. These motherfuckers is watching my every move because they fucking hungry. These motherfuckers is starving around here. I don't even know how to feed them, but I feed my dogs. bitBull feeds me, and my dogs feed me. You understand? All right, look, let's get back to business, baby. Get it together, baby. Get it together. All right, so look. Top of the morning. I'm drinking coffee, yes. Hyper. I drink lots of coffee. That's how I stay so young. Hey, coffee has a lot of antioxidants in it. All right, make sure you drop like 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every day and no weed smoking. If you smoke weed, stop smoking it, man. Otherwise, hey, enjoy your life. I used to smoke weed a lot. Now I can't because I calculate these bots and shit. I do a lot of stock trade. But hey, if you smoke weed and you bought my bot, guess what? You're a smart motherfucker. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Cause you ain't gotta worry about this calculating shit. All you gotta do is worry about setting this bot up. All right, now let's do this. Let's set this bot up. Don't never say I never told you nothing good. We setting the bot up. Now that's all you gotta do. Here's the bot codes. Can you see those codes right there? I gave you a link to them. Now your risk, my risk is 18% times 2. All right, that's just me. That's about 36 times. Just refer to my liquidation. I gave you a link to that too, and how and setting up bitBull. There's a link to the in the description. Also, there's a link to the liquidation bitMEX leverage. I'm not gonna call it liquidation. I'm gonna call it leverage calculator because that's what it is, and it calculates your leverage. You know, this is just what I'm doing, and this is what's going on. Now, I think the market is going down. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but I'm thinking, we're going down before we go up. All right. I'm overall bullish on Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie to you, but those people that bought before everybody else, back when Bitcoin was like $300 and shit, these motherfuckers, they are selling right now. They're like, oh man, get this dough. I gotta get this dough, man. Look, the price is falling. So they're capitulating. They see the price falling, like, well, should I hodl or should I get them dough before I can't get them? Why don't you just hold it for the next year? That's why patience, when you trade on a larger time, you look at the patience that you need. Can you wait another year before Bitcoin goes up to 100,000? If you keep seeing all these red candles getting printed, and every day there's a redder candle getting, it's like, damn, is Bitcoin going to zero? See, a person that doesn't understand the technology and doesn't believe it, he's going to fucking foam. He's going to fucking fear missing out. He's going to FOMO and sell at low. You don't the people that already bought at 20,000, they already feeling the pain. They already out the market. It's the people that's trying to, take the reason that Bitcoin is selling right now is because there's people that bought down there. They're like, man, I need some money. I should have sold at 20,000. I fucking now I gotta sell at 6,000. I should have. If it goes any lower than 4,000, I'm probably gonna not make as much money. So they're selling, and that's why you're gonna see this fucking red candle get printed. And that's why you're gonna see us shorting it instead of buying Bitcoin. We're shorting that shit over here. Over here, son. Yeah, we shorting that shit. So we're making money down, and the market goes up. We're making money when it goes down, and when it goes up, and when it goes down again, and when it goes back up again. Because this is what trend chasing. All right, we tracing the damn trend. The trend can go down. What if it goes sideways? I'm sorry to tell you this, guys, but we're not making no money in sideways markets. This is a volatility bot. If the market does not give us any money, bitBull is not going to be able to extract any money. Okay, that's it. I'm glad I made this. This is trade report number 2, how to set up bitBull. Thank you. I'm Crypto Trader. I'm out.